So I had to rush out and buy a microphone for my phone urgently, and I picked up the new DJI Mic Mini 2. And the reason I bought this is there's a few versions of this, but this one here has the USB-C connection that can connect to your iPhone or Android and be small form factor. It also connects to your DJI action cams. It's quite a stable connection, and most importantly, it has some great mics. And if anyone knows, when you're doing video content, so as strange as it sounds, audio is more important than the video quality. If you've got bad audio in your videos, chances are that people don't want to listen to it. For example, I'm using the audio from my phone, which is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So there's a ton of videos online that talks about what this can do and sound tests and all that, and I won't be doing that, but I will be opening it and we'll just quickly go through it together. I do have a Rode mic that does connect to my Sony mirrorless camera, and it'll probably stay on that. This is probably for more on the go and phone related video content. Okay, so that's it. My Rode mic is a receiver and a transmitter, and it comes with some cables, and it comes in a little satchel. However, one of the reasons I bought this one is, as you will see, how good's that packaging? Nice bag, really nice bag, good quality, DJI, nice zipper. Okay, so we've got our main package. Why I love this, comes in its own container. It comes with its own like AirPod container where we can open it, and there we have it. There's our microphones. We have two microphones. We have our transmitter, and everything just sits in there real nicely. And it looks like there's even room to put some other transmitters in there as well. So what happens is, once this has been used and you need to charge it, whack it back in there and it starts charging, and it'll be ready for next use. In the bag, we have some cables, USB-C, two dead cats as well. That'll stop the wind on your microphone that we can attach, but we won't do that just now. What else do we have? Oh, here are the magnets and some covers. So these are the magnets that go on the microphone. So I can either clip it onto my shirt, or I can put a magnet behind it so it sticks there. We've also got some covers. I think you can get other covers for it, but there's these little magnetic covers. So if you don't want something as in your face as this white one, you can chuck on a black one as well. So it sits there. It's not in your face, depending on, I suppose, your clothes or the person that's talking's clothes. I probably won't use those, but so they can go into the bag. There's another little zipper in the bag as well. That's good to put all your accessories. Awesome. Now let's do a sound test. I'm going to peel off all the stickers. And in theory, let's see if it stops the recording. We can plug it into the USB-C, and that should give that. So in theory, I should be talking through this now. I'm going to stop the video and try it again just in case. One thing I've noticed is just be careful, because if you're too rough with this, this is the magnet on the back, and this is our clamp. But if we get a bit rough with it, it could fall off. Another thing I just noticed there as well is if someone knocks this pair button, it stops the recording. I've just started it again. So just be careful of that. Okay, so I've got that tested. I'm going to let it charge a little bit and then quickly do this video. All right, see ya.